Oh, not good. It start raining. That will be perfect on rain. No problem. But my tools was not waterproof. Guys, I'm a little bit late. My chickens wanna go sleep. Yeah, because it's bad weather, raining. But we tight screw and then 1, 2 back, because if we tight too strong, then it's possibly this door will not open and close, because we will too tight that gap which one go door inside. I hope you understand me, my special English. Okay, it's tight, then 1, 2 back. It's tight, and 1, 2 back. And now they're already waiting there because it's bad weather. They wanna go sleep. Okay, I must finish this. Just for now, it will be chicken here, and the door will not kill the chicken, because will open like you see automatically. Why I chose that door? Why I was so exciting for that door? Because that door is made here in Slovenia. All doors looking like that one is copy of this door. This is original, guys. That is run chicken door, and that here is not a chicken. That here is Slovenia. Like this looking Slovenia. If you go in Google Maps, you will see Slovenia looking like this. Link from that door is in the description. Now I must finish because chicken already sleep there and the rooster is wet. Beep, beep, beep. Beep, beep, beep. Beep, 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 beep. The rooster is not happy with the doors. First, I wanna say thank you very much, Tony, for that help. Yes, Romeo have now big family, and I own all of you explanation what's going on. So many of you ask me, is everything okay or is something wrong? Yes and no. My answer is probably I am burnout. Like now I'm feeling okay, but immediately when I start working, I start feeling pressure. Head tell me you must do this, and body tell me no, you are tired. Today I'm feeling okay. For next week I have planned to rebuild my complete filter. Guys, I believe next week we will have video. Guys, thank you very much for watching, and I will catch you in next one next week.